Hey dude. I just found out about something we need to know. It's called digital citizenship. It's all about being safe, respectful and responsible online.
Yeah. I never heard of it. What does it mean?
Well, when we play online games or chat on social media or even use our phones, there are rules we need to follow so we can stay safe.
Really? Like when I am playing Minecraft, there are more rules to follow? Not just the Minecraft rules?
Yeah. Like never give anyone online your name, where you live or go to school. Don't even tell them the type of sport you play or the name of the team.
But, what if the person that I am talking to is friendly and helpful? What if I like them and think they are cool?
Ivy. You never know who you are talking to online. You may think they are a kid, but they could be someone pretending to be a kid.
Oh no. Now I remember. That happened to my BFF. The person playing the game asked to meet her in real life at the bowling alley.
Oh no. Really? I hope she didn't go. It sounds very dangerous. What did she do?
Well, she was scared, so she told her parents. They wrote down the screen name of that person, then they clicked on report abuse and typed in the screen name.
That was the perfect thing to do. If your friend was alone, she could have typed in the screen name on the report abuse link and logged out and told a trusted adult too.
Dude, that was helpful. What else did you learn about being a digital citizen?
Well, I learned that whatever you post on social media and other online sites stays there forever. Even if you take it down, it will never go away, and can always be found.
Really? Even if you delete and take down what you post?
Yeah. Kids have gotten in trouble for bullying people online in chat rooms and other social media sites. Also, don't post any pictures you wouldn't want your grandmother to see.
I know someone that was bullied online. It was awful. The girls were so mean. And said terrible things.
That is really bad. Bullying online is against the law. It can be really serious and people can be really hurt. Also, bullies can get into terrible trouble.
That's for sure. Bullying is wrong. Wherever it happens. You should be respectful and responsible with the words you use online. I want to know more about posting pictures online.
Like what?
Well, I want to post a picture of myself skiing. So my family and friends can see it.
I guess that might be okay. If it were family and a few friends. How many friends do you have?
4,500.
Ivy. You can't possibly have that many friends. I bet you don't even know most of those people. You need to delete everyone that isn't family or a BFF.
Okay. I guess I could. Then would it be okay to post my skiing picture?
Well, since we are both under the age limit, have your parents post the picture for you. That sounds safer.
Dude, now I can be a good digital citizen. I'll stay safe. No personal info sharing. I'll be respectful to others online and responsible in posting words and pictures.
You, go, girl. Stay safe. Be respectful and responsible online and in person. Treat others the way you would want to be treated online. You rock, Ivy.
Thanks, dude.